Hey there, job seekers and DIY enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of restoring and reselling classic fiberglass outboard boats. Remember those sleek runabouts your grandpa used to tell stories about? They're making a comeback. These vintage beauties hold a special appeal. They're sturdy, stylish and relatively easy to work on. Plus, there's nothing like the feeling of bringing a piece of history back to life. And let's be honest, who wouldn't love cruising the open water in a classic restored by their own two hands? With some elbow grease and business sense, you can turn this hobby into a profitable side hustle. So let's grab our tools and get started. All right, let's talk restoration. The first step is assessing the boat's condition. Check for cracks, soft spots, and any structural damage. Don't be afraid to get up close and personal. A thorough inspection is crucial. Next, it's time to clean. Use a good marine cleaner to remove dirt, grime, and old marine growth. A pressure washer can be your best friend here. Just be careful not to damage the gel coat. Once the boat is clean, you can start repairing any damage. Use marine-grade epoxy and fiberglass to fix cracks and holes. Sand everything smooth and fair for a professional finish. Don't forget about the interior. Replace worn upholstery, repair or replace damaged hardware, and give everything a good cleaning. A little TLC goes a long way in making the boat feel new again. This stage is all about bringing the boat back to its former glory. Now for the fun part, painting. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for a boat's appearance. Start by sanding the existing paint to create a smooth surface for the new paint to adhere to. Use a good quality marine primer and paint designed for fiberglass boats. Apply several thin coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Consider adding a clear coat for extra protection and shine. Don't be afraid to get creative with colors and designs. A well-executed paint job can make your boat stand out from the crowd and increase its value. Remember, patience is key when it comes to painting. Take your time and pay attention to detail for the best results. Section 4, back to the water. With the restoration and painting complete, it's time to get your classic beauty back in the water. This is a crucial step as it allows you to test all your hard work and ensure everything is functioning properly. Before launching, give the boat a final inspection. Check the engine, make sure all the lights work, and double-check the safety equipment. When launching, choose a calm day with good weather. Back the trailer slowly and smoothly into the water until the boat floats free. Once the boat is in the water, take it for a test run. Pay attention to how the engine performs, how the boat handles, and listen for any unusual noises. This is your chance to identify and address any last-minute issues before putting the boat up for sale. Section 5. Finding a new captain. Now that your classic outboard is shipshape, it's time to find it a new home. Pricing your boat correctly is essential. Research similar boats for sale to get an idea of fair market value. There are several ways to find buyers. Online marketplaces are a great option. Consider social media platforms or local classifieds. Be prepared to answer questions about the restoration process and the boat's history. Honesty and transparency build trust with potential buyers. Section 6. The fruits of your labor. Restoring and reselling classic fiberglass outboard boats is more than just a hobby. It's a rewarding experience with the potential for profit. You're breathing new life into these vintage vessels, preserving maritime history and connecting with a passionate community of boat enthusiasts. The satisfaction of seeing your restored boat gliding across the water, enjoyed by its new owner, is tough to beat. And let's not forget the financial rewards. With each successful restoration and sale, you're honing your skills, building a reputation, and increasing your earning potential. So, if you're looking for a challenging, engaging, and potentially profitable hobby, look no further than the world of classic boat restoration. It's a journey filled with hard work, learning, and the satisfaction of creating something truly special. Who knows, you might just discover your new passion project.